Today video is very special because today in this video I wanna share with you why to stop our English practice. Actually, at the very first time we think, yeah, I have to do it, and we commit with ourselves at any cost. I have to do it and I will do it regularly. But after some days we give up. Why we give up? Actually, where we get pleasure, we like to do it, but where we don't get pleasure, we don't like do it. Actually, at the very first time we get pleasure from this, that's why we started our journey. But after some days we face a lot of obstacles, we faced a lot of problems, even people laugh at you and laugh at we. That's why we gave up our journey. Actually, to be frankly, I can say that we don't get pleasure. That's why we stopped our journey. And again, some days later, we get pleasure from here and started again journey. But like this way, we start and gave up our journey. And we give a lot of excuse. Actually, I don't have any environment. I don't have any friend for practice. This kind of excuse available to us, and we can make understand us very easily. It is really easy for us, but it is not easy to do something continuously for a long day. It is very hard for us, you know that well. Actually, when we faced any obstacles, at the same time, so we should never give up. We should overcome our problems very smartly and spontaneously. If you make your problem easily remove, then you will get a lot of opportunity. And actually, we removed our shyness and nervousness and a lot of problems gradually. If you don't practice, you can't do it. You could have a good speaker. Just imagine last 2 years ago, maybe you started your journey, but you give up. If you didn't give up your journey, then now you can good speaker. Okay. So dear viewers, don't do like this again. Start your journey from now, and I believe that if you continuously do your work, then you will be a successful, you will be a fluent speaker, must be, and you have to maintain your continuously. Okay, so dear viewers, see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim English Care. Bye bye.